Hi, thanks for joining me today for our altered book journal. This is page 5 and I'm calling it the Good Vibes page. You can see already that there's a piece of aqua-colored duct tape on the book. When I was removing some pages, I tore this page near the spine. So I'm using duct tape there in order to just seal it and create strength. Now I'm laying down a piece of sparkly paper. It actually had its own adhesive backing, so I'm simply putting that on the page and pressing it down, making sure there's no air bubbles in between. And then next to it, on the opposite page, I'm going to use a piece of a calendar that I purchased on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and it has a wonderful saying on it. It says, "Create a new path." Just to refresh your memory, I'm creating this altered book for an ingoing middle school student. I am donating it to a local elementary school for their spring fundraiser. And the purpose of this book is so that a student can journal in it, kind of express their experiences and their thoughts and feelings in this journal. I also plan to include lots of positive sayings and encouraging quotes inside. Once I get this piece of paper here down, then our basic foundation is complete and we will begin to embellish the pages. I cut that piece of calendar page and I've got some scraps and I'm looking to use them on the opposite side, but I don't see where I can use them, so I'm going to move on and use my ultrafine markers to color in this picture. This is actually a picture of an old school building, so I'm just going to utilize that and color it in a little bit and see how that works out. Ready now to start embellishing with some chipboard, and you'll notice I do add some additional adhesive to it. I don't feel that the original adhesive is strong enough for putting it in a book the way that I am. In a scrapbook it might be fine, but this is an altered book, so I just feel like it needs a little extra adhesion. Now, just for a little extra dimension and decoration, I'm adding glitter glue around the edges of this decorative chipboard. I have this card that says "Sending hugs and good vibes your way," and I've had it for a really long time. It's just one of those things I've kept, and I wasn't sure why I kept it, and now I know that I kept it special for this book. So I'm adhering that down now, and I'm hoping that somebody will have a fun time journaling in it. Now I'm going to glue in some additional decorative chipboard, and I also have a tiny pink envelope that I'm going to add to the opposite page. Inside the little envelope is a note card for journaling, and then I put one of my little special notes inside the card that says "Sending hugs and good vibes your way." I've added some of the items that I've used for this project and items that I frequently use into the description box if you are interested. If you enjoyed watching me create this, smash that like button, and while you're at it, why not subscribe to my page? Here's our finished page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.